Hello everybody, this is Jyoti. Welcome to my channel Daily Dose of English. There are some culinary terms that frequently appear when we read the cooking instructions of recipes in English, and sometimes we are not sure about those terms. So today you will be learning 4 culinary terms for just that situation. So are you ready to cook with me? To learn some cooking vocabulary with me? If yes, let's dive right in. Okay, so let's start with this. When we remove the outer colored part of the peel of citrus fruit, such as an orange or lemon, either by using a grater, a peeler, or a knife, it looks like this. So the thin colored skin is called the zest of the fruit. It is used as flavoring. This morning I added 1 tablespoon of lemon zest on my smoothie. So this is the lemon zest. It is made from the top layer of lemon's peel. So next we have a term called Van Dyke. Van Dyke is a cooking term that refers to cutting a zigzag or decorative pattern around the circumference of fruits and vegetables to create decorative garnishes for food presentations like this. Sometimes I try to peel and Van Dyke a boiled egg like this. It looks amazing, right? Our next cooking term is deglazing. If you cook food, usually meat or fish, in a pan, you might have noticed that little brown bits are left on the bottom of the pan like this. When you add liquid, such as broth or cream, and then stir those caramelized bits stuck to the bottom of the pan to release, they impart lots of flavor into the liquid. So this method is deglazing. So this is how you deglaze a pan. Our next cooking term is to baste. It is the process of moistening food while it is being cooked, especially meat, with pan drippings, butter, sauces, or some other liquid in order to keep it moist. In addition to contributing moisture, basting adds flavor to the surface of the meat. You can baste the food by spooning the liquid over the food periodically as it cooks like this, or you can do it by brushing it with a basting brush as this little girl is doing. So she is basting the turkey at regular intervals. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.